Alright folks, it's September 8th, 2019, at 3 p.m. here in Cape Breton. And just watching the clouds being sucked towards Dorian now that it's over past us. So Dorian came from that direction and went like kind of the backside of Cape Breton way over there. And now it's heading that way. And the clouds are being sucked towards it pretty heavily, I might add. It's still pretty windy, but not like it was. Had a couple things flip over in the yard. And my niece's playhouse / swing set. And missed the bus by about 2 feet. Haha, I wouldn't have cared anyway. But yeah, no trees down, no fence down. Looking good. I'm hearing some trees are down around in town, but I don't know. I didn't go down and bother yet. I've been mostly just up and around the house here, chilling out. But you know, them clouds are moving pretty strong towards Dorian, which is headed towards like Newfoundland area, I guess. So yeah, guys, I hope everybody's safe. I still got power, no issues there either. Didn't have any leaks or any floods. I actually had a leak in the living room window, but gonna solve that tomorrow, not today, because today is Sunday. But yeah, so hope everybody had a great one. Much love from Cape Breton. I'm out.